Hi, hello there. Long time no see. I hope you guys are well. Geez, like, where do I even begin? I haven't spoken to you guys in a very long time, and that's my fault. I know that's my fault. A lot has happened since I've seen you guys last, and I just thought, I'm on my way somewhere. Why not give you guys a life update? For those of you that are new here, my name is Mara Victoria. I ditched the Dior, if anybody has noticed. It's a sad change, but it's a change that needed to happen in order to grow. So welcome to my channel. Let's start off with the beginning of the year. The beginning of the year, about January, my mom calls me and tells me that she really wants something to, like, you know, make her feel better, something that's really gonna her skin up and just make her feel confident. My mom did lose about 100 pounds or by herself on her own naturally. Luckily, I took her to Dermalogy, and luckily they were able to take care of her and really pamper her. It was such a nice trip. My mom was living her best life. Like, she had on this like gold mask and she was like laying down like a full spa treatment. And wait, why don't I just show you guys instead of tell you?
Look me in the eye, I'ma take it slow. Never running high when I got down low. I can go for miles, water lets me go. Mama, if you feeling like you fly me down, slowly getting lost when you do not care. Send it to the stars and she pull my hair.
So soon after, about what, February, March, was Christian Dominique's launch for her makeup line. She came out with a new palette and we celebrated at Fred Siegel on Sunset. If you guys have been there, it's gorgeous. But yeah, we were there. We had such a good time. We were with a ton of beauty or makeup lovers, so it was so much fun. And I was with Josue, so anytime Josue and I go to an event together, it's like the best time. It's like a party. It's like you're going to a party with your friends.
No sin, no sin. Call it meditation when we both unravel within. Feel the calm before the storm as it's my tongue on your skin. In between your breathing, I can hit the drop of a pin. Washing up the sunrise. When you let it on me like the sunrise. Cause I burn my tongue, you like a hot spice. All over my body like you want more. Rolling me like water on the seashore. Let me feel your body, you're what you are. The tide is high. Got the river running high. The canyon below.
Alright, so a little bit after, it was Josue's birthday and we were able to celebrate together. It was his birthday, and then soon after it was my roommate's birthday, and we had the best time just celebrating back to back. We really enjoyed each other's company, and there's nothing more important than just hanging out with family and friends, and that's exactly what we did. And that's So Josue and I went to a Becca Cosmetics event. It was so much fun, you guys. Like I said, going anywhere with Josue, it's so much fun. This party in particular was a little bit different. The Becca crowd was beautiful, to say the least. But you know, it was just very chill. So Josue and I took it upon ourselves to just live life and party it up. We had so much fun, and we played with makeup. We played with highlighters, for that matter. I think I was putting it like all over my face at one point, but living our best lives. We look over and we see these gorgeous 2 models and we're like, oh my god, and we just started vibing with them. And by the end of the night, we were all best friends. Had the best time of my life.
Come meet me by the sun. I don't know what you have to lose. Hold me close when you come. Bring your love, bring your love. Keep on spinning and spinning and spinning in your orbit. Going deeper and deeper and deeper, I'm still falling. I keep hearing the mirror, the mirror in the night calling. Going deeper and deeper.
I believe we had a makeup seminar in New York City. It was incredible, this trip. It's always incredible going out there to do classes, but this experience was probably one of the best for me. Our whole team flew out for our makeup seminar, and by our, I mean my brother, Glamour by Josue. It's actually his business, and I am a co-host and a beauty specialist at Master Makeup Academy, and he does Master Makeup seminars. So we had our whole team fly out to New York, and it was just incredible. We got there and we were ready to work and honestly paint the town red. And I hope you guys like what you see. We finally made it! Yay! Yay, everyone's here. We're waiting for the train. So excited. It's lit. Yay! Yay! It's so cold. Hey, we're celebrating by eating after such a successful seminar. Yay, we love you guys. Yay, yay. So we're currently walking to the High Line. I'm so excited. Last night we had so much fun. You know, maybe one too many drinks. So getting up today was really hard, you guys.
I got her in the palm of my hand. She knows I love her. I got her, thought I lost her. I am, my life's so quick, so
I've just been constantly trying to stay healthy, stay motivated, enjoy myself and my family and my friends. Just trying to learn what is it exactly that, you know, I want, because I think I know and I'm sure of it, and then some days it's like, well, is that really important? Like, is that what I should be doing? Is that what I came on this earth for? Yeah, I get really deep with myself. I do. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys are all updated with me and all caught up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys have been up to, since I haven't talked to you guys in like forever. If you guys like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. Why not? Just do it. You're already here. No, I'm just kidding, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Duh. Mwah.